Hey kids, today I'm going to teach you drawing, and today we are going to make some creatures using your numbers. So while making this video, I'm going to give you also some tips that you can use while drawing. So let's get started. We have taken a drawing book, and what we are going to do is we are going to take the number 2 today first. While drawing, just remember that you draw with your soft hand, that is, don't press your pencil but just be gentle. So this is one more 2 I'm going to draw. 22, and now once we are done, what we are going to do is we are just going to join these lines. This will be up. We are going to draw a bird, so this will be the branch on which the birds are sitting. The 2 birds on this branch. So we are going to draw a circle that will represent the head. Anywhere you find you have done some mistake, you can surely erase. And the other circle, see, it's right in the middle. So I'm not drawing a proper circle. I'm going to start with the circle and end here. Okay, same thing here. We are going to draw a circle and going to touch the toes. Once this is done, what we are going to do is first we are going to draw a line like this and a curved. This will show the eyes closed with the eyelashes, and this one will be opened eyes. So what I'm going to do is just a circle, and we are going to draw an adorable eyes. For that I'm going to just give one more curve inside and a circle just touching the big circle, a small circle touching the big circle. And then we are going to color this black in the middle. So this is eyes, and now the beak. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just draw a cone shape like this, okay, and a line in between. Now for the wings, what we are going to do is just draw a slight curve and touch to the branch. Same here, a slight curve and touch to the branch. And then the tail. Now the tail, what we are going to do is we are going to just draw a slight curve like this and draw the tail. See this? Same thing here, just a curve and like this. Now for the feathers, we are just going to draw some lines inside. See, when you're drawing, just be careful that when you draw anything, just first draw it little lighter. Okay, once you are confirmed with your drawing that it's look nice and the curves are right and accurate, then you can just make it little dark. Okay, so these are the wings. So this is how. Now we'll draw the claws. For this, what I'm doing is just making curved lines over here. See this? Why curved lines? Because these are branches and the branches are round. Okay, so the claws will also be round. See this? So these claws are done, and for branches just shade, or you may color this birds with the colors that you like. Then you can maybe just give the grains also, like just give lines. It will look like a branch, and you can color this whole bird. So we'll start with making fish. Now for fish we are going to take the number 3. One will be a little medium size, okay, and the bigger one, I'm just doing it little like away from the medium size. Can you see this? And one more 3 here, okay, and one more 3 right behind, and this will be a little smaller size, okay, and this will be a little parted. This will be the mouth, okay. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4. So once we are done with this, we'll start, okay. The first one, the bigger 3, we are going to take a curve and join here, okay. So take a curve and join the smallest 3 over here, and same here, the down one we are going to take and join over here. So this is done. Then we are going to take this 3, same kind of curve but a little flatter, and it will touch the bigger 3 behind, and then this one, okay. This will be the tail, and then a slight lines like this, okay. And now here what we are going to do is we are going to make a curve like this, okay, and then we are going to make same curve what we had done over here to this 3. If you don't get it on the first video, just pause it and pause the video, draw, and again pause the video, then you will get it. And now the eyes. What we are going to do for the eye is we are going to draw a circle here, okay, and then again a C and a circle inside, a smaller one, okay, and then you're going to color this portion. If you find the mouth a little big, you may just erase and make that 3 proper, so that it looks like a cute face. There should be space between the 3 and this curve to make this fins. So this is how the fish is done. You may color the fish with your colors, or you can shade this with the color pencils or crayons, or you may use your watercolors to color this fish. So I'm just going to show you some shading in this. Just see that when you're shading your lines, near the lines you make it little darker and leave the middle portion, and use your finger to smudge the pencil shading. See, I'm just doing this little darker near the lines, and then just spreading it with the. So this is how I'm shading. I'm just showing you how to shade. You just make it little darker near the lines and just merge it with the finger. This will give. Okay, and this is the fin tail. You may make it a little darker. Okay, and once you know these curves are proper, then you can make these lines darker. That's the reason I was saying that when you're penciling it for the first time, you pencil it light and don't make it darker. Okay, this is how you will get your fish done. So now the next drawing is the kitty cat. So for this I'm going to take number 500. So let's draw. I'm going to take 5 and see that your 5 is little longer like this. Okay, and the line will not touch this but will go like this. Then we are going to draw circles, the zeros like this. It will be touching to each other. Okay, these are your zeros. Circles. Now what we are going to do, on the circle we are going to draw a bigger circle. So a big circle like this, showing the face of the kitty cat. And you know what this cat is doing? This cat is sleeping. So it's in a sleeping position. Did you get it? See this? I've taken from the head, going right like an oval shape and then touching to this 500. Once this is done, what we are going to do, we are going to draw the ears. For the ears we are going to draw like a leaf. Can you see this? Same way over here, like a leaf. Okay, and then just a line like this. Okay, and over here like this. So this will be the ears, and then we are just going to draw a flat eyebrow, and while this cat is sleeping, we are just going to draw a curve like this and eyelashes, then a tiny nose which will be round, and a W kind of thing over here in the middle. Okay, and a cute face, then slight dots over here. Okay, now this will be the paws of the cat, and then we are going to draw the stripes. 1, 2, 3. See this? This is like the leaf shape. Okay, over here, and then we are going to draw on the body those stripes like this. 1, 2, 3. Now what is remaining is the tail. What we are going to do for the tail is just take a line like this, then a double line but narrow from here, and while you're coming out, this will just get a little broader like this. Okay, and then on the tail we are going to draw the stripes. Okay, 1, how much you require. Okay, now we are going to color the stripes. I'm just using my pencil. You may use your crayons, your colors. Wasn't it easy to make a cat out of numbers? Just follow the instruction that is given, and then you will be able to draw your cat out of this number 500. Okay, and this will be the ears. See this? I'm showing you the shading part also of this, so that just draw a shade or do the penciling work at the corner and you will get it. So this is the kitty cat that is done. If you make it little darker, because that was the first try that I did, that was light. Now an elephant. So what we are going to do is we are going to take the number 6. So we are going to take one small 6 over here. Okay, and don't touch the 6, just leave it like this. Okay, and then the other 6 down we are going to take. See this? You are going to take over here and make it little bigger this way. Okay, but just see that you don't touch it. Same way we are going to do the 6 over here. Okay, now this is like a freehand drawing where you are going to match the opposite side equally. Okay, see, do it lighter. Then once you are confirmed with the shape and the size, everything, then you make it little darker. Okay, see the distance between here. So what I have done, I have drawn a slight line over here just to match my 6 like this. See this? Okay, and we'll erase the line that is not required. See this? I've drawn a line and I have matched this 6 with the opposite one. And I've seen that if you want to move your paper to make the curves, you can do that. You can move even your drawing book if you want to, because I quite often do this. Keep on moving my drawing papers, drawing book to get the exact shape. So this is done. Now we are going to just draw a curve down. Okay, now the head, what we are going to do is we are going to take from the top like this and just draw a, do you know the strawberry shape? Like it becomes narrow from the top, slight, like this, and plumpy downside. Okay, and just a curve over here. Once you are confirmed with the shape, then you may just do it little darker. Okay, see this? Now we are going to draw the ears. For this, I'm going to draw a big ears like this, and one more, a smaller inside. See this? Same here. You just need to match this and this. Okay, the opposite sides. It should be a little flatter. Okay, done. We erase the unwanted lines and then draw a curve inside. Okay, so the ears are done. Now the mouth. What we are going to do for the mouth, see this, we are just going to draw the trunk. The trunk will be a shape like this. You know how we usually do the trunk, right? This is a long parallel, but here it becomes little narrow and here it has become broader. Okay, then once this is, you are confirmed with the line, just do it little darker, and then here down you are going to give a little shape like this and a circle for the nostril. Okay, then now what we are going to do is we are going to draw a big eyes. For this I am taking not the circle but a little oval shape like this. Just drawing a little cute eyes over here. See this? Cute eyes like this. An eyebrow. And inside this line, I'm going to draw a C. See the C shape inside the eyes like this. Okay. Same here. I'm going to draw an opposite C here like this. Okay. Once this is done, I'm going to draw two circles inside this. See, one here and one here. Same here, bigger circle little and a smaller circle like this. Then we are going to color that C that we have drawn, the whole thing with your pencil, or you want to color it with your sketch pen, black color, whatever. Okay, so see this, doesn't it look so cute? Okay, so our eyes is done. Now we are going to draw the nails like this, the fingers, to make it little more cuter. So once these ears are done, what we are going to do, we are just going to give some lines like this for the trunk. Okay, and we are going to draw just a cute face, lines like this, and we are going to shade this inner part of the ears, and this is how